The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the flu is widespread in Texas this year. So far, 13 people have died from the flu in the greater Houston area. The Beaumont Public Health Director says most of the deaths are linked to the H1N1 strain of the flu. Fox 4's Lauren Hewitt reports a Beaumont mother lost her son before Christmas to a flu-like illness, and she hopes to save lives by sharing her son's symptoms. That's our top story.
June Eddingston's son Keith came to stay with her in Beaumont to celebrate Christmas. Then he got what they both thought was a common cold.
Thursday he went to the doctor and got was on an antibiotic and was on some type of steroid medication also. And he kept not getting any better and coughing.
The following Saturday, Keith said he couldn't breathe.
I took him to the emergency room, and his oxygen level was 60.
An extremely low oxygen level. Christus St. Elizabeth Hospital admitted him.
And the next morning, he was heavily sedated and on a ventilator, and I never talked to him ever again. He never came out of that.
June says she had thought he was going to be okay.
I even took his iPad up the next morning thinking, everything was going to be okay. I was shocked when I went in and saw him.
Keith died on December 13th. He was 56.
He was gone less than a week in the hospital.
Murphy. Come on, Carol.
Her only link to Keith now is the dog he left behind.
He did not have children. His wife, she died of pancreatic cancer 7 years ago. So that's my only comfort, is that he's with her now.
June doesn't want anyone to go through what she's gone through and advises people feeling sick to get a chest x-ray.
We've got to let people know that, just to be aware that when you have a cold, it could be fatal. It could have dire consequences, and to get help.
In Beaumont, Lauren Hewitt, Fox 4 News.
Eddingston says her son did not get his flu shot, and the Beaumont Public Health Director advises everyone to get one, which protects against the 2009 strain of H1N1.